Hello everybody and welcome to Introduction to Microsoft Excel. I'll be your instructor, Aris Flores, and let's get started. What is Microsoft Excel? Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet developed by Microsoft. What is a spreadsheet? A spreadsheet is a computer program that allows the entry, calculation, and storage of data in columns and rows. What is a worksheet? It is a spreadsheet that contains formulas, function, values, text, and visual aids. What is a workbook? It is a file containing related worksheets. In order to find Microsoft Excel on your desktop or computer, go to your search bar engine, type Excel. You will then click Open. And then you will click Blank Workbook. The top part of the Excel is called the Excel ribbon, and it contains tabs such as File, Home, Insert, Page Layout, Formulas, Data, Review, View, and Help, and it also has a search bar engine. This is called a workspace area, and it contains columns from A through Z, and then AA, AB, AC, and so on. In total, there are 16,384 columns. And for rows, it's numbered 1, 2, 3, and so on, and has a total of 1,048,576 rows. Every cell's coordinates are given by the letter and number corresponding to the column and row on where it lies. For example, the first cell in the worksheet is A1. This is because it lies on the intersection of column A and row number 1. This is called the name box. It shows the name of the active cell. For example, if I were to select D4, it will display the coordinates on the name box. This is called a formula bar, which allows us to edit or enter information such as numbers, text, formulas within a given cell. For example, on A1, I could type on the formula bar states. A2, New York. A3, New Jersey. On the bottom, you can see we have a tab called Sheet 1. We can rename it by right-clicking on your mouse, click Rename, and type whatever name you wanted to call it. I will be calling it Year 2020. Excel gives you a default name called Book 1. If you wish to rename it, click on File, Save As, Browse, and you could save it wherever you like. I will be saving it on desktop, and I will call this States Workbook. It's saved. Now gather everything that you learned from this video and try to do the example on your own. I will help you along the way in case you need help. In order to do the following example showcased on the right side of my screen, click on A1 and type History Class Final Exam Results. You want to adjust the cell. In order to do this, click on a different cell, click back on A1, and move your mouse between A and B, and you will see a double arrow. Click on this and drag your mouse towards the right. This will tell you the width and the pixels. Now you want to change the font color. In order to do this with your mouse, highlight the text, go to font color, and for this example we chose blue, we made it bold, and we underlined it. For A2, click on it and type student name. Change the font color, highlight with your mouse the whole text, and go to font color, and for this example we chose yellow and we made it bold. Click on B2 with your mouse and type exam results. In order to adjust the cell, click on a different cell, click back on B2, and move your mouse between B and C, and you will see the double arrow. Click on this and move your mouse towards the right side. You want to change the font color, so with your mouse highlight the whole text, and sometimes you will see this little text box. You can just click on font color, and for this example we chose green and we made it bold. Now remember, in order to rename the sheet, you need to right-click with your mouse, click Rename, and for this example, we called it History Class. You are now ready to begin the example on your own. Good luck! Now that's a wrap. Thank you for watching and for choosing Lecturers.